Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. It's day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies, and today we're making Danish butter cookies. In my house, we call these Italian butter cookies because my nonna always had a tin. You know the tin, the one that you'd hope to open up and find cookies in, and actually it was a sewing kit. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make them from scratch. It's only 5 simple ingredients, so let's jump into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
To your mixing bowl, add 227 grams or 1 cup of softened salted butter and 113 grams or 1 cup of icing sugar that's been sifted. We're also going to add 4 grams or 1 teaspoon of vanilla and cream that together. It should be nice and smooth and soft, and all of the icing sugar should be beaten into the butter.
Butter is the key ingredient here, so make sure you're using the best quality you can get.
Add in 240 grams or 2 cups of flour. Stir that to combine until it comes into a wet, sandy mix. Now add in 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of milk to really loosen up this dough and make it pipeable. That's ready to be transferred to our piping bag.
You can also make these using a spritz cookie press.
I fit my piping bag with a large star tip. This gives a lovely, delicate pattern to our cookies. Spoon your mix into your piping bag, trying to keep it in one large lump. This prevents air bubbles when piping. I like to give the dough a little bit of a chop just in case there are air bubbles stuck in there. I aim my hand towards the back of the bag so that it releases those pockets. Take a tiny bit of your dough and place it under the 4 corners of your parchment. This helps to keep your parchment stuck to your pan so when you're piping it doesn't lift up. Now we're going to make little swirls. I like to hold the top of my bag with my left hand and direct using my right hand. And just swirl the dough from the outside and into the middle. These don't spread much, so you can fit 12 easily on a baking tray. If you have any peaks on your cookies, you can take a damp finger and just pat them down to prevent any burning.
And these are going into the oven for 15 minutes. So much for watching. I hope you're loving this cookie series as much as I'm loving making it. If you missed the first 3 episodes, check out my 12 days of Christmas cookie playlist just here and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more. See you tomorrow.